Okay, welcome to this demo coding session. This is going to be a session to program a working stoplight. So this is something that was requested by a viewer, so I thought I'd give it a shot. So let's get started. Basically what we're going to have is a stoplight on the screen, and it's going to have a yellow border, and then there'll be three lights, and one light will be on at a time, so red, yellow, or green. And hopefully, if all goes well, we'll be able to get some sort of timing system going. There's a couple different ways to do it. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so this is Python 3. So actually, I think 3.6, but it should probably work in Python 2. I don't think there's anything special here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the turtle module, which is surprisingly powerful. I'm on Linux right now, and I am using Visual Studio Code from Microsoft, which is not usually something I do, but they've done a fantastic job with this program. So turtle.screen. So I'm going to create a window object, window or turtle screen object, depending on how you want to put it. And this will let me do things like win.title, and we'll call this stoplights. And I am Tokyo EdTech on Twitter, if that's one of your things. And I want to make the background color black. Now here's something that beginners often not do, is they just type all the code in and then they try to debug it from there. Okay, so what I recommend doing is typing a little bit, finishing a section, and making sure it works. That's the way you know if that section is working. So let's try this, and I'm going to run this. And you'll see how it popped up and then suddenly disappeared. Okay, so to keep that on the screen, the very last line of our program should be wn.mainLoop. Okay, and what that does is that sets up the main effects loop, and that will keep our window open. So again, this is the last line. Doesn't matter what you put in the program later, this has to be the last line. So let's run that, and I've got two monitors going, so I'll have to drag that down. But you'll see here where I've got a black screen, which is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so let's start by drawing the box around. Let's see, draw a box around the stoplight. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to make a turtle to do that. I'm going to call it pen, and it's a turtle instance. If you know what that means, that's okay. Just copy the code. And I want the pen color to be yellow. I want the pen, let's see, saying it's size. Nope, shape, pen width. I'm going to make that 3, so it's not a really thin line. And what I want to do is, when I draw this, I want to draw everything centered on the center of the screen. So basically, the turtle's going to start out here at 0, 0. So I'm going to move it up to, let's say minus 30 and plus 60. So that's where I think I'm going to start my turtle at. Okay, so I'm going to say pen.goTo minus 30. And I checked the numbers before. This wasn't something I picked out of thin air. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here, and then I'm going to draw across, down, over, and up. Now there's a couple different ways I could do it. I'm just going to do it kind of the old-fashioned way, the old-fashioned turtle way. I'm going to go forward. Now turtles always start out facing to the right, so at least on this one they do. So I'm going to go forward 60 pixels, and then I want to turn right 90 degrees because we're going to have square corners. I'm going to go forward 120, and then I'm going to go pen.rt again 90, and then because now I'm drawing the bottom, I think it's 60. pen.rt, and that's going to be pen, actually dots, sorry. It's hard to do this and talking at the same time. Sorry about that. 90 and pen.fd 120. Okay. Now I know there's going to be an error in this. I'm trying to demonstrate this intentionally, so I'm going to run it. Okay, so it's not too bad. Again, it's drawing on my other screen. I'm not sure how to get around that. But wait, the turtle started here. It jumped up to here, drew the stoplight, which is good, or at least the outside of it, and then it's still on the screen. So we're going to do a couple things here. What I'm going to do is I don't want this line to be drawn, so I'm going to raise the pen, jump here, lower the pen, and then draw it. And also I want to hide this turtle. Okay, so I'm going to say pen.hide turtle. These are all methods from the turtle class. And pen.pen up before it goes, and then pen.pen down. Okay, so let's run that and test it. And there we go. Okay, so far so good. So now what I need to do is I need to put 3 circles in here. One for the red, one for the yellow, one for the green. Okay, so let's take care of the red light. So I'm going to say red light equals turtle.turtle. This is also going to be a turtle. I want this red light to be a circle. It's one of the built-in turtle shapes. There's circle, square, triangle, arrow, turtle. I think I said that. And there might be another one, arrow, I think. And then I want it to be actually gray when we start. I think you can spell it G-R-E-Y or G-R-A-Y. Okay, so let's test that. Oops, wrong thing. Okay, so I got an error down here. It says type error. Turtle object is not callable. Okay, so I screwed up. So it's turtle shape circle and color. Total rookie mistake. Sorry about that. Gray. So let's do that again. Okay, so I've got a circle here. Now I actually want to move this up a little bit. So I'm going to say red light dot go to. And I'm going to move it up, I guess, what, about 40. So I'm going to say it's going to be at 0x and 40y. Okay, so let's test that. And again, you can see how it always starts in the center, and then it went up there, so you can see the pen line. So I'm going to get rid of that. So before I go, so red light dot pen up. Now I never need the pen down. So again, I'm just going to test it. And you can see there it's there. So now I want to put the yellow one here and the green one down here. Okay, so I'm kind of lazy, so I'm just going to copy this. And so this will be our yellow light, and this will be our green light. So circle, gray, all the things are same. The only thing that's going to be different is I want it to go to a different place. Now this one I'm not actually moving, but I'll just leave it there for completeness. And then the green, this should be yellow, of course. Oops. So I'll just copy that, double click, paste, double click, paste, double click, paste, double click, paste. And for this one, I'm going to do, of course, green light. I know a lot of people, especially beginners, have this terrible habit of, they would call this G or GL or something like that. Give your objects, give your variables proper names. It will make your life much, much easier. And this one's going to be going down 40, not up 40. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so we've got our red light, yellow light, and our green light. Okay, now we've got the objects on the screen. What we want to do is we want to see if we can change the color. Okay, so a couple different things we can do here. So I'm going to say, well, let's just try it this way and see what happens. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. So let's say we want to start our stoplight at, start at red. So we'll say red light dot color red. Okay. And I'm going to try this. I don't think it's going to work, but it might. Say import time. Time is another module, and what I can say is I can say time.sleep. Let's say we want to sleep for 2 seconds, and then red light dot color. Change that back to gray, and then time.sleep. Oops. And then we want the green light color to be green, and then we'll sleep again. Say time dot, let's say we'll have a 3-second green light. That's not very helpful. And then what we can try here is making the green light gray, then making the yellow light, of course, yellow, and then waiting 3 seconds. We'll make it a short yellow, 2, and we'll make it, let's say we'll make it a longer red, a 4-second red. I don't know what's going to happen here. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so we got red, oop, green, and yellow. And that's it. That's all we've coded. I guess that did work. On a different operating system, you might see some different things, but it does seem to work on Linux. Now, what I can do, actually, that's really bothering me. I'm going to put the import statement up here, the other import statements, just to make it, organized. And so what I can do now is I could put this into a loop. I could say while true, and what this does is it does things over and over forever. I don't want the main loop in there. I want these lines only. Okay, so I've tabbed them over. So notice while true. So everything that's indented here will just repeat forever and ever and ever. Okay, so let's run that and see what happens. And there it is. And, oops, there's our green. There's our yellow. Let's see if it goes back to red. Oops, made a mistake there. Okay, that's, you always get to test your code. Okay, so I forgot to, when I changed the green light to green, yellow light to, okay. And then here I have to make sure that I make the yellow light color to gray. Okay, so let's test it one more time. And there's our yellow, and it should turn to gray now. And there we go. And it just cycles through that forever until we stop the program. So there you have it, a very simple stoplight demo. Not the greatest code in the world, but it does get the job done. Okay, thanks for watching.